Hi Parisian Vibe, it's Camille and I'm here to present my favorite red lipstick. So it's from Paris, and this is the Vermillon red lip pencil. It comes with two other red lip pencils, but this is the lighter one because I love light red pencils. I think it's very brightening for the skin and everything in general. I hate when it's too dark, so here we go. It's basically just like a color pencil, but for your lips, and super easy to apply. Very creamy, not drying, a bit matte, and I just look like this, and then I take a bit and I apply it on my cheeks for a bit of color. Et voilà, bisous!
Hi, my name is Romney. I am a content creator from Texas. I have a passion for reading and writing and Romanticism, and this is my go-to red lip. The first one I'm using is the Slim YSL in the color 1966. This is the perfect bright red color. I think it's like really perfect for like a summer red lip. I don't really like to use a lip liner just because I feel like my lips look better with a more kind of like smudged look, if you will. What I usually do is I do the top lip, and then on my bottom lip I just kind of put it in the center and then blend it down with my finger a little bit. I always use two lipsticks. I'm always mixing shades. It's kind of like a little potion or a little concoction. But the other one I use is the Morphe liquid lip in the color Fatty, and I just put that in on the center of my lips. I kind of like the center to be a little bit darker, and then it kind of gets like lighter as it goes out, if that makes sense. I've been wearing red lipstick for as long as I've been wearing makeup. I feel like it's just the only thing that complements my skin tone, and it always makes a statement, and it always just pops out, and I just love that. As soon as I finish putting on my lipstick, I drink enormous amounts of black coffee. With that, I can leave a mark wherever I go. It's so cute.
Hi Parisian Vibe, I'm Bridget, and I'm here to share with you my favorite red lipstick. My favorite red lipstick is the Christian Dior Rouge Dior 999. This is probably the perfect red lipstick in my opinion. It is just a perfect cherry red, and I don't really have a specific method of applying. I just take it slow and hope that it looks good. So I'm going to put it on and I'm going to show you what it looks like. My red lipstick outfit of choice would definitely be a white top like I have on now, or just any sort of monochromatic outfit. I feel like a red lip is the easiest way to elevate a very simple look.
Try again. And a bit closer, maybe. Yeah. Okay.
Hi guys, my name is Angelina and I work for ParisianVibe, and today I'm gonna show you my favorite way to apply my red lipstick. And I'll be using this little guy. It's a very deep shade of red from Byredo. I just found them very good at long-lasting makeup, so I'm a big fan. The shade looks like this, and I'm gonna use a technique that is called la bouche mordue, which is a French technique where you smudge the edges or you blur the edges to get that kind of newly kissed look. So let's get into it. So I'm applying it just to the middle part of my lip. It looks kind of crazy now, but then I'm gonna go in and blur it out. It's that easy. This is what I do. And if I want more color, I'll just add a little bit more in the middle. Like that. And I go in again and I do this. Yeah, you have to wash your hands after when you do this technique. That's the only thing. I hope you found some inspiration to try this technique, and see you soon.
Bonjour Parisian Vibe, je suis Athenaïs, je suis parisienne et maquilleuse et je vais vous montrer ma technique pour appliquer mon rouge à lèvres rouge préféré. Et pour avoir une bouche bien définie et qui tient toute la journée, je commence à faire mon contour de lèvres avec mon crayon Make Up Forever et c'est le numéro 40. Je commence par l'arc de Cupidon, puis en dessous de ma lèvre, et on termine par tracer les commissures. Et maintenant, je viens relier tout ça. Une fois mon contour tracé, je vais venir le remplir. Et ensuite, je viens prendre mon rouge à lèvres. C'est un rouge à lèvres en raisin que j'ai dépoté pour que ce soit plus simple à mettre dans mon kit maquillage. Et si vous désirez la ref du rouge à lèvres, c'est le rouge artiste de chez Make Up Forever, le numéro 410. Et voici la couleur. Et je vais venir appliquer mon rouge à lèvres avec un petit pinceau plat. Et c'est parti. Et voilà. Merci et je vous fais plein de bisous.
Okay, cut. I feel like this technique, when you blur the edges,